Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using IronSource. Here's my review of the IronSource platform, covering usage and overall experience. IronSource is a prominent mobile monetization and user acquisition platform tailored for app developers, especially those in the gaming sector. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to monetize apps effectively, acquire high-quality users, and optimize ad performance. With a strong emphasis on in-app advertising, IronSource provides solutions such as rewarded video ads, interstitials, banner ads, and playable ads, maximizing revenue while preserving a smooth and engaging user experience. A particularly impressive feature is Level Play, IronSource's mediation tool. This feature automates ad network optimization, ensuring developers achieve the best possible eCPM, effective cost per mil. Instead of requiring manual waterfall adjustments, Level Play leverages real-time data and machine learning to dynamically prioritize the highest-bidding advertisers, simplifying revenue growth for developers. Furthermore, IronSource's ad quality tools help monitor ad performance, preventing low-quality or intrusive ads from negatively impacting user retention. For user acquisition, IronSource offers robust campaign management and analytics tools. The ROAS, Return on Ad Spend, optimizer automatically adjusts bids based on in-app purchase behavior, ensuring advertisers acquire users with a higher likelihood of conversion. The Aura product is another valuable asset, enabling OEMs, original equipment manufacturers, and carriers to deliver personalized app recommendations at the device level, boosting organic installs and user engagement. IronSource also facilitates cross-promotion, simplifying user retention for developers with multiple apps. By leveraging their existing in-app ad inventory, developers can promote their other apps without incurring additional marketing expenses. A significant advantage of IronSource is its data-driven approach to insights. The platform delivers detailed analytics on user behavior, ad revenue, and retention, empowering developers to make well-informed decisions to optimize both monetization and acquisition strategies. In summary, IronSource presents an all-in-one solution for mobile developers aiming to scale their apps profitably. Its integration of AI-powered mediation, automated user acquisition, and advanced analytics positions it as one of the most powerful platforms in the mobile development industry. If you're seeking ways to elevate your app revenue and acquire high-value users, explore the links provided in the description.